All right, looking now at ribs. So here we've got some true ribs. You can see that each one of these has its own costal cartilage that then articulates with the sternum. And then when we get down to ribs 8, 9 and 10, we can see that they each have a costal cartilage that then attaches to the costal cartilage there of rib 7. Okay, so they each have their own smaller bit of cartilage that doesn't articulate directly with the sternum but goes via the costal cartilage of rib 7. So ribs 8, 9 and 10 are the false ribs, and then we have a couple of quite small floating ribs. And the last one, rib 12, is difficult to see on this model because it really is quite small. So ribs 11 and 12 floating. So 1 to 7 true, 8, 9 and 10 false, and then 11 and 12 floating. And then these bits here are the costal cartilages that are attaching the ribs to the sternum. And then on the rib itself, and here's one that I can hold up closer to the camera to make it a bit easier to see. Here's a true rib. So this is one of the ribs, actually this will be one of the ones between 3 and 7. Here we've got a tubercle on the rib, and here we've got the head of the rib. So this is the bit that will attach to the vertebral body. This is the bit that will articulate with the transverse process on the vertebra. So that's the head and then the tubercle of the rib. Now then we can have a look at the sternum too while we're here, where we have a manubrium, that's the top part of the sternum. Then we have the body, and there's hopefully a line you can see in between the two. So there's the line that's the end of the manubrium. So this is the body, and then this is the xiphoid process. So they're the three parts of the sternum. And then lastly, up here in the neck, just inferior to the mandible, we have the hyoid bone. And it's joined here by wire because remember, it's not actually articulating, not attached to any other bone. There's only muscles that join it to other bones.